Hello friends, welcome to our channel. So today we are going to see how WP CRM, which is maximizing your leads to revenue ratio, how you can try the admin demo. So once you log in as admin demo, there will be a setup process that we'll go through as well, and the features that's there in the setup process. We'll also review that. So let's just check it out. So once you log in as admin, so you need to have email address to try the admin demo. But once you log in as admin, you will see a dashboard where you will have leads, opportunities, contact leads, payment reports, everything in the dashboard. So we'll start with the settings tab that is in the menu or left side menu at the bottom. So in WP CRM, you can set up a system as per your branding. So you will have to give the name of your business and which lead forms you want to activate in the system, your email address, and there are different details, date format. So there are localization as well that you can use it in our system. So you can set up your currency, your date format and everything. Then you have the invoice number settings, means your prefixes for code, sales invoices, and all those details. Lead settings is whom you want to assign new leads to, so that's important as well. Then there is invoice number settings, how you want to increment the numbers. Then you have the payment settings, so whether you want to accept the payment through PayPal. And it also has the Google Calendar integration, so you can always integrate the Google Calendar schedules and bring it into WP CRM. If you want to also do the WooCommerce, you can also do that. WhatsApp message notification, you just need to enter some details for WhatsApp. So this can send the WhatsApp notification to the users. And now we can see the access rights. So from the left side, you have different user roles: salesman, author, editor, management. They can have access to different modules, or you can also limit the access to different modules. Then if you click on email template, where lead email from admin or message received, invoice mail template. So there are different emails that you can configure here. So you can change the content of the email so that it suits your need basically. Then there is a custom field, so you can actually extend the functionality of different modules using custom field. If you think there is a particular module that doesn't capture the details you need, so you can create a custom field and use that custom field in that particular module. So from right now we have a user form that we have selected, so user module, and then when you create a custom field, you can always assign a validation, whether it's required or not, which module it's supposed to go. Those are the things that you can configure from here. Then you have the form field mapping. So this is a lead form that you are configuring. So currently it supports the spicy form and contact form 7. So these forms will capture the leads. Now the leads has certain data that you collect, but this data needs to be ported to the CRM because the CRM has its own database. So what we're going to see over here right now is we are going to select a simple form, which is contact form to name, email, and all those things. So we'll map those fields. So your name is the contact form field in form 7. In CRM it's the first name. Your email is again a contact form 7 field. Email is the CRM form field. So we have mapped it so that the data that is coming from the contact form 7 is exactly matched to the CRM fields. So we're gonna just edit and see. We can always click on plus icon, add a new field, and map it across contact form 7 to the CRM. So this data, once captured from lead form, it will appear as a leads in the CRM database. Thanks for watching the video, and do subscribe to our channel. We are going to run few more videos on WP CRM. So there are a couple of more parts coming up which explains the whole functionality of WP CRM. So do subscribe to our channel and make sure you get those videos in your inbox. Thank you for watching, and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.